Welcome back to the Lion Legal channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So you may have heard in the news, there's a New York professor called Shellyne Rodridguez who is anti-abortion. And as a result of that, she approached some students, accosted them, and caused damage to their display. In addition to that, the New York Post has released a video showing Shellyne Rodridguez holding up a knife to the neck of a reporter. She actually held up a knife to the neck of a reporter. Now, in New York, that is actually punishable under the penal law, under the crime called menacing. Menacing is when you put a person in reasonable apprehension of bodily injury. In addition, if the knife did make contact with the reporter, that would also be punishable under the crime of assault. Now, in another video, you see Shellyne Rodridguez upturning a display by that was put there by what appears to be some students. Now, the issue I think this underlines is the inability in higher education for people to agree. Typically, it was students who would protest if they had anybody coming to their universities to speak that they disagreed with. Now you even have professors themselves, and Shellyne Rodridguez is ostensibly a professor. Now you have professors themselves acting out violently. So it shows the degrading of the education system over time, whereby you cannot even agree to disagree and settle differences with words, reasoned debates, arguments, logic, but instead it has to devolve into violent confrontation. And it's incredibly sad. And that's why parents have to be very careful anytime they send their kids to a particular school. You have to see, are the people there intelligent enough to actually talk about their problems, or do they have to act like they're part of the bad girls club on VH1? But it's an interesting video, and it also shows where essentially education is headed in this day and age. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.